Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create number list in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option. Now again select Edit PDF option. Now click on this text box. You want to insert number list. Dragging your mouse, you can select your text box, or also you can press Ctrl A from your keyboard. Select whole text box. Now here you will find this number list option. Click on this number list and see this. Now select here this number list. This is number list already. There are many kinds of number list. Alphabetically, Roman numerals number list. See this. And this is alphabetically number list. This is natural number list. Yeah, in this way you can add number list in your text box. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.